I didn't. And this is what happened when you don't pick them on time. So what you're gonna get is, it's a little bird, I don't know if y'all can see it, but a bird ate into my tomatoes. That's gonna happen when they start to ripe. You gotta get out here before the birds get out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that while I can. And then there are a few other ones in here I can go ahead and get. Yeah, I probably can't see. Let's switch it right here. Another thing I need to do is I need to do something about all this grass. So, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it because it's not. Then got bit into. Oh, you got a big old chunk out of this one too. Look at this. Look at that. A bird did it. So I'm feeding birds around here. So that's no good. I'm not gonna do anything with that. Throw it out somewhere or put it in some soil for another time. I'm just gonna pick the ones that I can pick and call it a day. And this plant, y'all can't smell it, but it smells so good. This one might have a little bite out of it too. So annoyed. I think some of these are maybe. That one can get picked. Okay, so these actually look pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna pick those. And this is gonna go, I don't know where.